Hey there! In this video, I'll show you how to create a new table in Airtable step by step. First, head to your Airtable homepage and open the base where you want to create the table. Click on the base name or card to open it. Once it loads, you'll see your existing tables at the top of the screen in the Table tabs area. Now, look for the button that says Add or Import with a plus sign. You'll find it at the top of the base in the Table tabs area. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for creating or importing a table. From that menu, you'll see an option to create a blank table. Click on it. This opens a dialog with a text input field where you can name your new table. Type a name for your table in the input field. You'll see the name appear as you type. It's good practice to name tables by what they'll store, so if you're tracking projects, call it projects, or if you're managing contacts, call it contacts. Once you've typed your table name, click the Save button in the dialog. The new table is created immediately and appears in the Table tabs at the top of your base alongside any existing tables. Your new table starts with 4 default fields: names, notes, attachments, and status. You can customize these right away or start adding records with the default structure. If you want to rename the table later, just double-click on the table name in the tabs at the top and you can change it. You can also delete or modify those default columns to match whatever data structure you need. And there you go. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.